So I got my epoxy measured. I have been stirring it for almost 3 minutes, and you can see how nice and clear it is. I just have a few seconds left. And okay, now this goes in these two, cups. The blue, the copper, and I did change my mind, and the bronze. So the bronze is going to be what's left in here. And I've got a mark on each of these cups. So I pour some into each. Whoops. That might be a tad too much. Oh dear. It's not the right amount. I'll get a little out. All right, there we go. There. Make sure there's still enough in this one. Just gonna take a tiny bit out of there. Okay, now, try not to spill them. I'm going to put the color in. So what I do, I take a clean thingy, and I'm also going to put alcohol dye in each. So I picked some orange to go with the copper, and I can see the names on here. So the alcohol dye gives it a nice transparency. Should be wearing gloves. I've got goo already on my hands. A little salt scrub usually takes care of it. There's a coffee color I'm going to add to the bronze. And then there is a nice blueberry I'm going to add to that peacock blue. Sometimes I mix two separate colors, one alcohol dye for the transparency and the other mica powder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump, that should be enough because this is a smallish amount. I can wipe that off so I don't contaminate the other one with blue. The copper is going to go over here. And then again, I'm just wiping it with the paper towel. And then this is a larger amount of stuff. Might be using too much. Last time I mixed, I did a larger amount. I'm going to keep this little popsicle stick dry in case I need to mix more. So I'm going to mix these. Isn't that pretty? So the mica powder gives it that iridescence. And you just want to make sure it's mixed all the way through. Get all the good stuff off the edges. And then what I do is I check it. If I can't see through to the wood, it's nice and thick. The color is saturated, rather. If I didn't put enough color, it would still be transparent. Sometimes I do that on purpose so the gold tube shows through. But these I want nice and saturated. So that's my bronze. Now I'm going to take and just wipe this stick. And this paper towel's getting gooey, so I'm going to get a new one. Now I'm going to stir this one. This is the copper. You see that? Isn't that pretty? It's more orangey, isn't it? It's really pretty though. And that too is nice. See a little of the wood underneath. Might just be because I don't have it stirred enough. That one looks good. I'm going to leave that stick in there. This is another clean stick. And we'll see what that blue is going to look like. And that's looking good too. Then I'm going to set a timer for 20 minutes. And I'll come back and do the next step. That's all it is to this. And then meanwhile, we'll fill up the air compressor and get the pressure pot ready. I'll have to put some Vaseline on the lid. So that's it for now. I just have to set that timer.